Hey everybody, it's Jack. Wanted to give you a quick update on the market. Today is Tuesday, July 15th. And here we are, Liberation Day. Everything had a reset from there. The SPY had a crossover of its trend points to the upside, and that kicked off the bull market where we are, all-time highs. Now, the S&P 500 is made up of 500 stocks, so a rising tide is going to lift all boats, and that's what we're seeing with the S&P 500 lifting up a lot of stocks. But the tech market is really where it's at right now. Coin making a new high. You see that right here. IBIT, I'm long this one too. I'm long coin, I'm long IBIT, I'm long NVIDIA. That's the stuff that's really been on a tear. That's where the money's been at. Here's NVIDIA. It's my biggest position. Doing great. Busting over that today. This is yesterday's close. It's busted over 170. Now, the Dow is getting not a lot of attention. In fact, it was down a little bit today even. It's kind of flattened out right here. Right? That's 30 stocks in the Dow. And then QQQ is the tech market. That's where the action's at. Everybody is kind of rotating out of boring stocks or stocks that are not performing and moving them into tech. And that's pushing a lot of stuff up. ANET. Moving up a little higher, right? Just now going to get going. It had a late crossover here. That's what I'm also long right now. Everything looks bullish. So if you're concerned about that, you can sell covered calls. Right now, there's a great time. If you got a stock at an all-time high, selling a covered call at a strike price even higher is a great way to make income, bring in some cash, and possibly get called out at a great price. Naked puts are great right now. Credit spreads are amazing. Everything's working. If you're concerned, like I say, those sell covered calls and buy a married put. Buy a put at the same price as the stock, and at the money put. Right, that's going to ensure your downside. So if you don't need that put, if the market goes down, that put will skyrocket in price. It'll be hugely profitable and offset whatever loss you had in the stock. If the market doesn't go down, the stock goes higher, you've just spent the money, say, as insurance. So that's where we're at right now. Trade well. I'll talk to you soon.